I hate it very much. This isn't spring. I don't appreciate this, Mother Nature.
How do you feel about shoveling now?
It's wonderful. It's great exercise.
Good exercise.
Nothing like getting out here and moving your body a little bit. I'm gonna shovel everyone here. There's a lot of older people here, so.
You do that every time it snows?
Pretty much.
And were you expecting this? Like,
No, I wasn't. I was thinking, oh, it's gonna be just like the rain and slush. I didn't think it was gonna be like this, so I'm hoping this is it.
I'm a professor at CSI, so the school was closed today. I'm enjoying it. I'm taking my dog for a walk. I'm marking some papers, and I don't think it's as bad as it seems.
are you mad at Staten Island Chuck?
Yeah, he lies. He's a big old liar. I think he needs to be retired and go back into his little wood hole.
He needs a little training. I think he's got to go back to school. He's got to go back to groundhog school.
I hope everyone's staying safe and warm, and this is my workout.
Stay safe and enjoy the day.